Dale Carson,
on safety expert
officer in Miami,
former FBI agent.
Dale Carson, high-profile lawyer joining us out of Jacksonville.
So if you have the documents, they need to be resubmitted by registered mail to the clerk of the court or the prosecutor's office. Sometimes they have a diversionary program that is operated through the state attorney's office. You need to send those same documents or reconstruct those documents, meaning go to the sources from them. If you're doing public service, then that group, the YMCA, whoever you were doing the service for, will have those documents and they need to be resubmitted. But it's your responsibility to make sure they get where they're supposed to go, and that always frightens me. We do stuff by electronic mail now. Well, who's to verify that somebody got it if there's no receipt to it? That's why registered mail and certified mail is still something that you ought to use in order to make sure those documents get where they're supposed to go and end up allowing you to be in full compliance with the probation. Because COVID's over now, and if you are compliant with the requirements of probation, then you need to be sure those requirements are authenticated and are with the probation office or the pretrial services group that are monitoring your probation so that you can be relieved of any responsibility. Because the upshot of this is if they don't get it, you're not in compliance, the prosecutor's office goes to the judge, says Johnny isn't in compliance, and a warrant will issue for your arrest because you failed to be compliant. And in some cases, that means that you can be charged as you were initially charged. So instead of the thing being washed away, it now becomes a real headache and will require you to get a public defender or hire a private attorney. I will tell you this, if you were to hire us, what we would do is make sure that all that data that you previously submitted is reacquired. We will make it valuable and present to the prosecutor's office so you don't get a violation of probation order.